for watching this first claw video.
Everybody, this machine looks pretty beautiful to me. I don't know about you guys, but like I'm seeing this zombie cat by the chute here, and this black cat, and then all that rakeable stuff in the back, that skeleton cat, and maybe even the domo. But let's just see how everything rocks around first. Alright, we're going to go for this, the black cat. Let's see if we can rock some of this stuff around. No, we're going for that frog. Are you kidding me? Come on. Oh, dude. Okay. Oh, we're gonna go for this dolphin shark thing. Boom. Clamp around it. Bring it to me. Oh, it's not gonna hold that. I knew it. I knew it wasn't gonna hold that. Ah! Ah! Let's go for the frog once. Again. That's good, baby. Come on. Got it. Alright, I don't have much left. So I thought, people. Let me see. Well, I got a few bucks. Let's go. You saw me get the soft frog so far out of that. I'll give that to somebody. A dirty duck, dirty duck, and a thing with the code. Man, I really want to go for that. I wasn't even paying attention to how the claw is spinning. Like dumb. Oh, I had to try it once. Oh, dude. You see how I'm getting down to the decision time? Oh, dude, that was so good. This sucks. Doesn't it suck when you're down to this last money? It's all going in this machine, I'm sure. Let's go 50 at a time. Oh, man, I have 3 tries after this. Oof. Oof. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. I swear I don't think I have any more money on me. Hold on. No, I double checked. I don't. So it's this try and then 2 more. Oh man. Oh man, this is rough because this machine looks alright. It's rough. There we go. Come on, come on. Yeah. All right. Okay, we got another code. It's a which one, which one, which I do not have anymore because I sold the only one I had. Okay, good. I'm glad I won that because that helps the choices of the last 2 tries. I really want to fight that Domo, but I'm thinking I'm going to go for this ghoul thing. Kind of looks like Ernest Scared Stupid Troll. And this zombie cat right by the chute. Look at me getting right to it. Look at me getting right to it. Oh, dude. Alright, last one. Here we are. Down to all my money. Ghostbuster Domo. This cat. People. Maybe even that Care Bear right by its noggin. Oh, man. The official last try. Like, no even talking BS. The last try. God, this is so hard. I missed it. I missed it. Almost got it on the way up, but I missed it. I went for the big money. See, I went all out. That's it, people. So you saw me win 2 out of this machine. That cat and that frog. And the other machine, I got a ghoul with a code and a dirty duck. See, dirty duck. I'll tell NEN about that. They'll probably give me a code or something for it. Who knows? Appreciate you watching. I'm happy with what I got. I spent $10. Got all that stuff. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep on calling. Later.